Hi, welcome to this quick video about a cool feature inside of Workshop Software that's going to help you manage your parts and report on your parts and labor actually, and it's a really cool feature. So I'm going to jump into the settings and under company lists, and there is an option here in the company list called product categories. Now the categories allow you to categorize various products, being parts, labor, consumables, sublets, whatever, into different categories. So you'll notice that we've got product groups, which we've always had product groups, and you've now got this section called categories. And so we can have various product groups belong to a category. So if I give you a very simple example, if you were a mechanical workshop but you did mechanical work and maybe you did auto electrical work and you wanted to split them up. So what you could do is you could add two categories, and I'm going to add one called mechanical. Right, and I'm going to add one and call it auto elect. Okay, and save that. So I've added those two categories into the system. Now you can add as many as you want. Of course, this might be particular to your business, and you can create whatever categories you like. But now what we can do is we can edit these or add, additional product groups. We can edit this, and you'll notice here that this has got the categories that we've just created. So if we go auto electrical and save that. And we're also going to put maybe batteries under auto electrical, that sort of thing. And, we might put like oil filter under maybe mechanical parts, for example, and, and so on. So you can put your different groups into different types of categories. Okay, so let's go and have a look at what this looks like against a product. So if I go into products, and if I type in maybe oil filter or something like that, and if I choose just a random product here, and I'm going to make sure that this is in, for example, the oil filter group, you'll notice here that this says mechanic, right? So it's in the mechanic category. So you'll see that that's a bit different, or has got that option in the actual products themselves. I can do a similar thing for the alternator. So, for example, I've got an alternator here, and if I want to put that into the alternator, that's in the auto electrical group, and so on. Now, what this also does is if we go into reports and then into business reports, there is the item sales report. And if I go back maybe to the beginning of August to today, and I output it by category, and I could do a range of categories if I went search by category as well. I'm just going to do all of them and output the report and see what that looks like. So what we can see here is we've got mechanical group or category, and this is the total for mechanical, right? And then you've got the total for others, and if there were any alternators sold, that would have the, auto electrical stuff, that would have the auto electrical. So you kind of get the idea here about how this then gives you this sort of reporting based upon the actual category. So that gives you a bit of a rundown about how the product categories work. It's another way of you getting great data out of your business so that you can make better and informed decisions about what's going on in your business. Maybe you might want to buy a piece of equipment, so you might want to focus on that particular category, make sure that you're reporting on it properly, get the right sales from it to see whether or not maybe purchasing that piece of equipment might be applicable. So that's a good example of the use of a category. So hope you love it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.